Hello everyone, my name is Mamu. Nice to meet you. I open new YouTube channels about meditation. This channel is all about doing meditation and developing its habit. When you think about meditation, there's some specific stereotype. Sitting and closing your eyes, doing nothing. All you need to do is breathing in and out deeply. But doing meditation doesn't mean just breathing in and out. Watching and observing your breathing. Maybe in between of them. Depends on the situation, depends on people, but balance of watching and observing, that's the key point. Doing meditation is being simple, being natural, and being myself. To do that, you always start from your body and I. When you talk about the body, it is eyes, ears, nose, mouth, body, and mind, especially feeling and emotion, like six senses. Through your six senses, you see the change of sensation. So now you're just being observer of those change. When it's talk about I, through meditation, you will start understand yourself more. You will find yourself more. Eventually, you will be yourself. By sharing guided meditation tutorial and non-guided, just meditating together, I hope share to my meditation philosophy, and hopefully each one of you find your own meditation way. It's all about action and reaction. So let's do it. Thanks for watching and listening to me. See you next time. Bye bye.